the first time I've ever been able to jump in the car to go where we're going. Now I've just got a phone call. Somebody I bumped into last week said to me, Rob, I watch your videos, I've seen the Cosworth, I love a Cosworth. Sorry, let's turn that radio off before we get copyright. I've got a Cosworth, not an ordinary Cosworth, something very, very special. Would you be interested? I said I'd certainly be interested in having a look. So he's just given me a call. We've jumped in the car. Let's get down there and have a look at this Cosworth. Guys, we have just arrived and it is tipping it down, so I'm not sure how much we are going to see. I would like to get it out of the garage, but of course with this rain it is tipping it down. We're going to get soaked and the car's going to get all wet as well, but as you can see it is absolutely beautiful. And I've just been chatting to the guy and it's got the original proper logbook for the car. It is road legal and with an MOT and some road legal tyres, this could be driven on the road no problem. He also has the MSA racing logbook for it as well. It is a proper race car. He hasn't had it out on the track for about 5 years, but he said when he last did, he bought it in, fitted all new brake pads on it, and it has never been out since. But no expense has been spared. I am just going to ask, because I forgot, unless the speedo's in it, it is. It's got very low mileage of... Sorry, is that 66? 56. It's quite dark in there, but it's done 56,000 miles from new, genuine, with 2 owners. And again, guys, this can be driven on the road legally. It's still got all its washer jets, indicators, it's got everything on it. It is a 1988 E-Reg. We will get back in there in a minute, have a sit in it and have a proper look. We opened the boot earlier. And as you can see, battery relocation is in the boot. Fuel tank's in the boot. I'm not sure what that is. I'm not even going to lie. I'm not a race car driver, but it's something to do with the fuel. And you've got the 2 fuel pumps down there. What is that large thing standing up there?
Swell pot.
Swell pot.
Yeah.
And you've got a pressure gauge down there, rear strut brace. It really, really is nice. And you can see the car's never had any welding or anything like that done because obviously the low mileage. And it's been a race car, I think he just said, since it was about 5 years old. I'm just going to bend down and get a little bit of underneath. Again, let me get my torch out so we can see it.
It'd be better if I rolled it forward, Rob.
Roll it forward?
Yeah, or drive it forward, whatever you like.
Yeah, we'll do it in a minute, but it's got the race side exit exhaust there. He did tell me the proper name for it, but again, I don't know. You can see it's all polybushed. It's all very, very nice under there. Very nice and clean. The engine is an absolute work of art, I think. Hopefully our black one does look like that, but let's climb in here and actually have a sit in it. I'm going to pause, guys, till I get in because it's very tight and I don't want to hit the door on the wires. We don't need another Cosworth in our lives right now, but I think that the price he's asking for this is very, very reasonable. I'd love to drive this on the road, honestly. Fan here, I looked at that and I thought, fan, and then I've looked down and it's actually still got the proper blower motor in it. And he said, yeah, all the heating still works in it, everything works just how it should do. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Do we want to buy this car? No sunroof in it either. He said he can't say for definite, but he's sure that this must be a motorsport shell because they all come with a sunroof and this has not got a sunroof in it. So I'm going to go and stand outside in the rain. It's got a paddle clutch. It's got all the bits and pieces on it. So I'm going to stand outside and he's going to bring it out of the garage for us and let us have a good walk around it. Yeah, mate, we're ready to go. I'm recording. So, guys, he just said it has got everything racing on it. It's all been done properly and it's got that same straight cut gearbox that the 3-door's got. He's going to start it up. He's priming up all the fuel systems and the master switch. I can't wait to hear it. It hasn't run for about 6-7 months, he said. And it's got that straight cut gearbox in it, and the paddle clutch, he said it's like stop or go, so I'm just going to go for it. What a bit of kit, guys, eh? This is 1988. That engine sounds beautiful.
Oh, precious. Spot on.
Yeah. I thought my one sounded nice. Yeah, it's very, very quiet. This is how far I go to get content for you guys. I'm getting drowned out here today. It's absolutely tipping it down, as you can see on the screen. I am trying to protect it the best I can, but I'll walk round that side and I'll bend down. He just wants me to see as much as I can. Guys, look, quick release front bumper, quick release bonnet latches, obviously that's normal. I am trying not to get the owner on camera, he doesn't want to feel the camera. So, we're going to bend down and have a look underneath the back of it. He says it's absolutely as mint underneath as it is on the outside, so guys, check that out. What are those shocks on there? Gas coilover shocks all round.
Brand new.
Oh, they've never been used, they're new as well. So when you bought it back from the last track day, you've actually spent quite a few quid on it, haven't you? So it's had all new shocks all round, all new brake pads all round, new discs.
New back wheel bearings.
Basically guys, this car is ready to go. It's ready to go on the track, it's ready to go on the road. I was just trying to do that up there. I was using my weak hand, I promise. How long would that take to warm up? Would that upset your neighbours if you give it a little rev before you reverse it in? Be not. Everyone loves a good old rev up. Yeah, no worries. Oil pressure and turbo boost. We've got a massive oil warning light there as well. That's a bit of kit, guys. I'm not going to lie, I really do like it. He did have all the original parts for this car as well. And when I say all of them, he had the original wheels, original mirrors, all of the bits that this car would have needed to convert it back to original, he did have. But just before lockdown, that's when he decided, do you know what, I'm going to have a clear out. I haven't used the car for 5 years, the car's going up for sale, and all of the surplus parts that he had sitting around were going up for sale as well. And you put those online, didn't you? And they sold instantly. Oh, the Sierra Cosworth badge. £95. So he put the original badge. I mean, it's got a sticker now. You don't want original things on a track car anyway, because once they get broken, they're ruined. But he's put it on eBay and it's made £95, which is incredible, as you know. Right, guys, I'm just going to pause till this is warmed up, and we'll get him to give it a few revs before he puts it back in the garage. And I do want to see that engine and find out a little bit more about it. I know it's the boy in me, but I have asked him to give it a little bit of a rev, and I'm going to stand a little bit away. Oh, look at that turbo whistling up. Sounds beautiful. The engine in this car, guys, I can't believe how quiet it is. We're going to put it back in the garage and then have another look at that engine. Guys, look how clean it is. he also had the original airbox, and he sold that on eBay as well,
Yeah.
which would have been really nice. But I'm not sure, is that the same as the 3-door, do you think? So, yeah. But guys, I've actually got one now for the 3-door, so we're all right. You've changed all the pulleys on it, haven't you?
Apart from the alternate. No, the bottom pulley I haven't changed. The crank pulley,
So tell us a little bit more about this engine. What's...
if you can see there, see the GGR?
Yeah.
So I think that's Goode Racing built the engine in it.
Right, okay, so it's got all cams on it. Obviously, we can see these. What did you say these was?
They're turbo sport pulleys.
Right, and on my Series 1, they was Varia, and they was blue.
Yeah,
so...
they're very, you can adjust them, but they're made by Turbo Sport, these ones.
Right, okay.
There's a lot of different companies that make them.
And you've got one on the water pump there as well.
Yeah, it's got Collins engine mounts on it. See the blue engine mounts?
I can, yes.
Uprated solid engine mounts.
And that's both sides.
Both sides, yeah.
And what sort of brake horsepower is it?
It's 340, just over 340. It's running on Bosch Green 803 injectors.
Right, yep, we can see them there.
Three bar map sensor.
It's a shame it's raining, really, because you would have took me round the block, wouldn't you? I mean, I don't think we'd do too well in the wet with the slicks, but
these slicks, Rob, when touring car were running 17-inch wheels, these are off a touring car, because a mate of mine was into the touring car scene, so all the touring car tyres.
Oh, lovely.
They'd used.
Yeah,
we
brilliant.
Used, but then they went to 18s.
Guys, it has got the original tag on it there as well. And all the floor numbers, everything's intact, and it is a number matching. Everything's all singing and dancing.
The original car, that was grey.
And it was originally a graphite grey car. So, guys, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And obviously, if any of you would be interested in possibly purchasing this, the guy is selling it. But I'm not even sure we're going to make it that far, because it's growing on me a lot. I'm not going to lie. Guys, I've had to pull up the road because I actually want to finish this video off and get it uploaded so that you can see it. Now that car, he actually bought it already done, ready for the track, but I think he's tastefully changed it to how he wants it. Now that chap has had that car for years. This is not something that's been handed around and had 10 different people owning it. It has only had 2 owners from new, and yet it's a 1988 E-Reg. He has just told me the price he wants for that car, and just literally from leaving his property, I didn't think about it then and until now. Now he just said, Rob, I watch your channel, I love your videos, and it would make good content if you wanted to buy it. He said, and the best price I could probably do on it would be between 18 and 19,000. And looking online at how much they are, yeah, it's up there. It is up there. But guys, an engine like that, a basic bog standard engine, is £6,000. That engine's been built by a race company. It is beautiful. You could hear how nice it was. And all the other stuff on it, a rolling shell. I think I recently saw one go through on eBay, needed welding work, had no logbook, and there was no floor number in it. And that car made £8,000, and that was a rolling shell. So he just said he doesn't care if that car don't sell, because he will quite happily finish, just carry on breaking it up. He sold all the normal parts off for it. He said he'll start the process of breaking it, and I believe that there'd still be a profit in that car at breaking it. But let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I'd have loved to have gone for a drive in that. It sounded lovely, and just to have that race car feel, I bet that's incredible going around the track in that. So that is going to be the end of the video. It was just literally off the bat, I got a call and I thought, I've got to go and do this, and I've got to show you guys it, and I've got to hear your thoughts. And just see what you think about it. So yeah, drop your comments in the comment section down below. Like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you early next week in the next one.